welcome back to my YouTube channel. We survived the first 3 days. Yay! The first 3 days were actually amazing. The kids did really well, and I want to congratulate the kiddos for the job they've done. It's not easy coming into a new building and learning a new schedule and a new, route to and from a class. So we still have some things to work on, but they're doing awesome. We talked about classroom expectations. We've got leadership roles, lots of new things going on this year, and the kids seem really excited, and I'm excited too. Some new things going on in science class this year. We've got a theme. When you walk into my room, you're walking into mission control. Each table has its job. Every kid has a job they have to do when they come in. On top of that, there's some extra leadership roles, and we have our leaders in every class. Those will be changing every quarter. So that's pretty awesome, and they seem pretty excited about that. But now that the nuts and bolts of everything are pretty much done, we've talked about everything, procedures, expectations, it's time to get started with the real fun, exciting stuff, the science. Of course, we can't do any labs until we know lab safety, so next week is going to be dedicated to lab safety. We have a project plan. It's a small project that will mostly be done here in class. We do have a new interesting twist on it. Hopefully it'll work out, and hopefully they'll get excited about that as well. And I'll explain a little bit more about that once we get started. Lab safety will end with a small quiz. Of course, I need to know that they understand the rules, and they'll need to pass that quiz before they can participate in any lab experiment. So if we're struggling with lab safety, then we'll get them on track so they can participate in labs. Also, a lab safety contract will be coming home that needs to be signed, and we'll put that in their mission journals. So they'll have those lab safety rules to refer to if they ever forget. Again, that lab safety contract will need to be back on Friday signed before they can participate in any labs. I need to know that they know how to be safe and that they will be safe, and that lab safety contract is an agreement that I'll provide the lab, they need to be safe. For the most part, that's it for next week. After lab safety is done, then we'll start going into scientific inquiry. Please check back with the YouTube channel for more information later on next week as far as project progress, and probably a small review on lab safety as well. So again, keep your eyes on the YouTube channel. I'll send notices out when it gets updated, and I will talk to you later. Thank you for your time.